I'll choose multiple handlers on our form. And this time, let's see what happens if I click a button and it has 3 handlers. That is 3 procedures, and each one of them has a handles clause for this button's click event. And look, there are my 3 event handlers. They occur in the order handler 2, handler 1, handler 3, but because I'm using the handles clause, I have no control over that order. Let me clear the display out, and let me manually add event handlers. And now click the button. Now this button says my click might have 3 handlers because I don't know. Until I click the Add Handlers button, it didn't have 3 handlers. I click this now, and now I control them. I've set it up so they run in the order 3, 2, and 1. Let me remove the handlers, clear the display, and click the button again, and nothing happens because I've removed the event handlers. Well, let's see what all of those buttons do. So here's the button that has 3 handlers currently. Let's view the code. And you can see that here's handler 1, here's handler 2, here's handler 3. Handler 1 handles button 1.click, handler 2 handles button 1.click, and handler 3 handles button 1.click. That's all the information I've supplied. Yet when I ran this, they occurred in some order I wouldn't have expected. They occur in the order 2, then 1, then 3. Clearly, if I'm using the handles clause, I can't control the order. Well, let's see how I can control the order. Here, on the Add Handler button's click event handler, I'm adding a handler for button 2's click event handler in this order, 3, then 2, then 1. So now, if I click that button, let me add the handlers. Now I'm handling the button click in the order handler 3, then handler 2, then handler 1, and that's exactly the order they run in. Also, if I click the Remove Handlers button, I'm removing those event handlers. Now, the order you remove them in doesn't matter. I'm just sort of, superstitious, so I'm removing them in the opposite order that I added them. There's no reason to do that. It's just that I have decided that if I added the last one, I'll remove it first. It doesn't matter. You can remove them in any order you like. In any case, when I click this button, I've removed all of the event handlers for button 2, so clicking it does nothing at all.